Hello, this is Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV located in Yorktown, Virginia. Today we're looking at a brand new 2019 Forest River Rockwood 2898KS. Fifth wheel, dry weight of 9,320 pounds. We got underneath storage. Got a nice turning point fifth wheel hitch. You're prepped for solar. On either side you got one 30-pound LP tank. Slam latch compartments. Magnetic clips to hold it up for you. Pass-through storage, your docking station, outside shower. You also have a spot for your auto leveling. Awning toppers over both your slides. You got 4 slide outs on this fifth wheel. Your docking light. The other side of your pass-through storage. Three entry step, aluminum step, folds right up into the camper for a nice clean look. Another storage compartment. Does come with a little prep table. We did order this model with an outside grill, which would hook here. You can bring the TV outside to hook there as well. Frameless windows. Your outside speakers. Ladder for access to the roof. And you do have backup camera prep. As we enter into the Rockwood 2898KS, has the pebble decor, maple cabinetry. You got a nice table and chair here. The high bench does have storage underneath the chairs. Large oven, 3-burner range with a flush mount cover. You do have storage underneath. Large microwave, your refrigerator freezer. Good sized pantry. It also has motion detected light. When the door opens, the light comes on. This is what's nice. You got a little bar area separating the living room from the kitchen. Both sofas open up into beds and you still have room to get through. Your TV entertainment center area. Fireplace does put out electric heat. Nice sound bar. Ceiling fan. We are looking at a 50 amp service. We did order this with 2 air conditioners. Again, the trifold sofa. Pebble decor opens up into a bed. Nice storage in the corner. Your theater seating does have heat, massage, and LED lights. Footrests come out. You do recline. You also have a spot for little tables there, hook into both armrests. Back in the kitchen area, tons of storage. There's a good spot for your trash can under your sink. Stainless steel, 2 separate sinks. Flush mount cover, and you got good overhead storage. Stepping up into the bedroom and bathroom, you've got a nice assist handle. Queen walk-around bed. There's the box that's got your outside grill in it. Overhead storage. There's your second air conditioner. Wardrobe, it's on a slide out. Mirrors. Into the bathroom, you've got a nice corner shower. Overhead skylight, a fantastic fan. Nice storage area here in the bathroom. Drawer storage, USB charging stations. Receptacles throughout. Got tons of storage underneath this bed as well. In the bathroom, solid door. And then you got a pocket door here from the bedroom to the bathroom area. This brand new 2019 Forest River Rockwood Ultralight. 5th wheel. Again with 4 slide outs. Dry weight of 9,320 pounds. Sleep up to 6 people in this, the way those sofas open up. The 2898KS is located in Yorktown, Virginia. Please give me, Scott Hudgins, a call today. 757-833-3633. New models going on every day. Subscribe to my channel, like the videos, or let me know if there's a floor plan you're looking for. I can send you a video directly. Thanks again. Have a good day.